Hello Vijay Diaries viewers, welcome back to our channel. As I promised in my previous video, today I'll be sharing with you one of the most spectacular nights of my life. I had never been to a New Year's countdown party and this was my first time, that too in Singapore. I was super duper excited and so will you be guys after watching these amazing shows, performances and sparkling fireworks. We were also given with these LED bands to add more color to this evening. Something very interesting happened that night too. While we were totally geared up and looking forward to the spectacular show, Vijay was randomly picked to interview for the Singapore's local channel to share his experience about this amazing evening. Now sit back and enjoy the performances and sparkling fireworks. You all might have heard about the famous Sydney fireworks above the Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. Singapore fireworks was equally great, and adding to it, there were 500 integrated drones imported from Japan for the New Year's countdown, which was presented with a beautiful story. All this together had blown our minds. To watch this miraculous 500 drones show, stay tuned and stay curious for my next vlog, Singapore Day 5 Part 2.